Our invisible shield, the immune system. We are engaged in a constant battle, a struggle for survival against enemies too small to see. These enemies are everywhere, in the air we breathe, the food we eat, even on our skin. They come in many forms, from viruses and bacteria to fungi and parasites. But fear not, for we are equipped with a powerful defense system, an intricate network of cells and organs working tirelessly to protect us. This is our immune system, our invisible shield against a world of potential threats. The immune system doesn't reside in a single location like the heart or brain. Instead, it's a complex network spread throughout the body. It's our internal security force, always vigilant, always ready to defend against invaders. From the common cold to more serious threats, our immune system is our first line of defense. This microscopic battlefield within us is where the fate of our health is decided every day. Understanding how this intricate system works is crucial to appreciating the vital role it plays in keeping us alive and thriving. It's not just about fighting off infections, it's about maintaining balance and harmony within our bodies. The immune system is a marvel of biological engineering, capable of distinguishing between friend and foe with remarkable precision. It learns and adapts, remembering past invaders and responding more efficiently to future threats. This dynamic system is essential for our survival, and its complexity is a testament to the wonders of the human body. So the next time you recover from a cold or heal from a cut, remember the silent warriors within you, working tirelessly to keep you safe and healthy. Our immune system is truly one of the most remarkable aspects of our biology, deserving of our respect and care. By understanding and supporting it, we can ensure it continues to protect us throughout our lives. This microscopic battlefield within us is where the fate of our health is decided every day. Understanding how this intricate system works is crucial to appreciating the vital role it plays in keeping us alive and thriving. The body's army cells on the front line. Imagine a vast army, highly trained and equipped with advanced weaponry, patrolling our bodies day and night. This army is relentless, never resting, always vigilant. This is the immune system in action, a complex network of cells and proteins that work together to identify and destroy harmful invaders. It's a sophisticated defense mechanism that protects us from countless threats. These invaders can be bacteria, viruses, fungi, or parasites, collectively known as pathogens. Each type of pathogen presents a unique challenge to the immune system. The immune system is made up of different types of white blood cells, each with a specific role to play. These cells are the soldiers in our body's defense force. Some cells act like scouts, identifying the enemy and sounding the alarm. They are the first line of defense, alerting the rest of the immune system to the presence of danger. Others are warriors, directly engaging in combat and eliminating the threat. These cells are equipped with powerful tools to neutralize and destroy invaders. And still others are like memory keepers, remembering past battles to mount faster, more effective responses in the future. This memory function is crucial for long-term immunity. This intricate dance of cellular communication and coordination is essential for a healthy immune system. Without it, our bodies would be vulnerable to constant attack. It's a delicate balance. Too much or too little activity can be detrimental. An overactive immune system can lead to allergies and autoimmune diseases, while an underactive one can result in infections. Understanding the roles of these different cells is key to unraveling the complexities of immunity. By studying them, we can develop better treatments and preventive measures for various diseases. Recognizing the enemy, how immunity begins. Every cell in our body carries a unique identification tag, a molecular signature that distinguishes it as self. The immune system is trained to recognize these tags, allowing it to differentiate between our own cells and foreign invaders. When a pathogen enters the body, its unique molecular patterns, known as antigens, act like red flags, alerting the immune system to its presence. This recognition process is the first step in mounting an immune response. Specialized cells called antigen-presenting cells capture the invading pathogen and break it down. These cells then display fragments of the pathogen's antigens on their surface, like wanted posters, for other immune cells to recognize. This crucial step of antigen presentation is what triggers the next phase of the immune response, the activation of T cells and B cells, the specialized forces that will directly target and eliminate the threat. T cells and B cells. A powerful partnership. Once the alarm is sounded and the enemy identified, the immune system deploys its specialized forces, T cells and B cells. These lymphocytes, a type of white blood cell, are the key players in adaptive immunity, the body's ability to mount targeted attacks against specific pathogens. T cells, named for the thymus gland where they mature, are like skilled assassins. They directly attack and destroy infected cells, preventing the pathogen from replicating and spreading. B cells, on the other hand, are like the weapons factories. They produce antibodies, specialized proteins that bind to the pathogen's antigens, marking them for destruction by other immune cells. This coordinated attack by T cells and B cells is a remarkable example of biological teamwork. It's a highly effective system that has evolved over millions of years to protect us from a constantly evolving world of pathogens. Section 5. Remembering the fight: how vaccines work. One of the most remarkable features of the immune system is its ability to remember past encounters with pathogens. This memory is crucial for our long-term health and survival. This immunological memory is what makes vaccines so effective. By training the immune system to recognize and combat specific pathogens, vaccines provide a powerful defense mechanism. Vaccines work by introducing a weakened or inactive form of a pathogen to the body, essentially mimicking a real infection. This process is safe and controlled, ensuring that the body can learn to fight the pathogen without causing illness. This controlled exposure triggers an immune response, leading to the production of memory T cells and B cells. These cells are specialized to remember the pathogen and respond more effectively in the future. These memory cells remain in the body, ready to spring into action if they encounter the same pathogen again. This readiness is what provides long-term immunity. This allows the immune system to mount a faster, more effective response, often preventing the development of disease altogether. The speed and efficiency of this response can mean the difference between mild symptoms and severe illness. Vaccines are one of the greatest public health achievements in history. They have eradicated diseases like smallpox and have brought others, such as polio, to the brink of elimination. They have saved millions of lives and continue to protect us from a wide range of infectious diseases. The impact of vaccines on global health cannot be overstated. Understanding how vaccines work is essential for promoting public health and combating misinformation. By educating ourselves and others, we can ensure that vaccines continue to save lives and keep communities healthy. Section 6. Boosting our defenses, lifestyle, and immunity. While the immune system is a powerful force, it's not invincible. Its effectiveness can be influenced by a variety of factors, including age, genetics, and overall health. Fortunately, there are many things we can do to support our immune system and enhance its ability to fight off infections. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is crucial. This includes eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, getting regular exercise, managing stress, and getting enough sleep. These simple yet effective measures can significantly impact the strength and responsiveness of our immune system. Our immune system is a reflection of our overall health. By taking care of ourselves, we empower our bodies to better defend against the constant barrage of potential threats. Section 7. When immunity falters, autoimmune diseases. The immune system is a powerful weapon, but like any weapon, it can sometimes turn against its owner. Autoimmune diseases occur when the immune system mistakenly identifies the body's own cells and tissues as foreign invaders and launches an attack. This friendly fire can lead to a wide range of chronic inflammatory conditions, such as rheumatoid arthritis, type 1 diabetes, and multiple sclerosis. While the exact causes of autoimmune diseases are not fully understood, they are believed to involve a combination of genetic predisposition and environmental triggers. Understanding the mechanisms of autoimmunity is crucial for developing effective treatments and improving the lives of millions affected by these debilitating conditions. Section 8. The future of immunity, advancements in medicine. The field of immunology is constantly evolving, with new discoveries and advancements being made all the time. Scientists are gaining a deeper understanding of the complexities of the immune system, paving the way for innovative treatments for a wide range of diseases. Immunotherapy, for example, harnesses the power of the immune system to fight cancer. CAR T-cell therapy, a groundbreaking new treatment, involves genetically modifying a patient's own T-cells to recognize and destroy cancer cells. Other promising areas of research include developing new vaccines for diseases like HIV and malaria, and exploring the potential of the microbiome, the trillions of bacteria that live in and on our bodies, in modulating immune responses. The future of medicine lies in unraveling the mysteries of the immune system and harnessing its power to prevent and treat diseases in new and innovative ways. Section 9. Staying healthy, a shared responsibility. Our immune system is a marvel of biological engineering, a complex and dynamic network that works tirelessly to protect us from harm. Understanding how it works is not just about memorizing scientific facts, it's about empowering ourselves to make informed decisions about our health. By adopting healthy habits, getting vaccinated, and supporting scientific research, we can all contribute to a healthier future, both for ourselves and for generations to come. Our immune system is our shared inheritance, a testament to the enduring power of life's ability to adapt, evolve, and thrive in the face of adversity. Let's work together to protect it.